Mates find rare $100,000 item on Aussie beach. Absolutely genuine. So this is the story. I didn't read this article, but I read. Did he take it to Antiques Roadshow? Is this the guy?
I'm not too sure.
Okay.
We'll find out.
A pair of Aussie treasure hunters have struck gold on a beach in Western Australia, unearthing a rare piece of history which could be worth as much as $100,000. Leon Deschamps and Shane Thompson were scouring the dunes at Shark Bay with metal detectors when they came across a figurine back in 2018. They suspected they might have hit the jackpot. The duo made another big investment. The two friends poured $50,000 into research to confirm it was a bronze infant Buddha statue belonging to the 15th century Ming dynasty, dating back to Imperial China. Oh my God. Just on the beach.
So they spent $50K into research?
That's pretty weird, but
I'm guessing it's priceless at this point.
No, apparently they said it's $100,000. It's probably priceless to them.
But they spent $50,000.
I don't even know what that research would entail with the fit. Did they travel around the world? Is that plane tickets? Is it hiring an expert investigator? Anyway, traveling to the UK to appear on the BBC's Antique Roadshow overnight, an Asian art expert confirmed that the item could fetch $100,000 at auction. He went on to explain that the infant figurine was brought out in ceremonies to celebrate Buddha's birthday. The historic find could even rewrite history books. I'm amazed to find out that this is the Ming dynasty because that does make it the oldest Chinese artifact in Australian history. Yeah, how did it get to Australia? Ming dynasty, how did it get to Australia, Will? It could indicate that the Chinese visited the region 200 years before. It could indicate a lot of things. How are you going to get that down there? It's far away. The metal. I used to have
washed ashore or something.
I used to have a strange. I think everybody actually has some sort of metal detector. Drive, like a metal detector drive. Like, wouldn't you be curious to see what you could discover just walking around with a metal detector?
Oh yeah, I've always wanted to do that.
Isn't that seem cool? Hunt for treasure. You see people do it.
Even get some coins. You know?
It seemed just a little mini treasure hunt with a metal detector. I don't know. Some point in your life. Hasn't worked out for me to this point. I mean, I don't own one or anything, but when you're a kid, that seems like the coolest idea.
And you also see like old people on the beach just rigged up, walking along.
Yeah. There must be YouTube channels about this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Just like the scuba diving. Look what we found.
Yeah. Well, this bronze statue is in really good condition.
I love it. I think it's a really cool. I love it. I agree with you, though. They say, oh, it could fetch $100,000, but really, once it's that old, it's it is sort of priceless.
Yeah, it should belong into a museum.
You kind of hang on to that or figure it out because so old.